Ito ang mga huling kaganapan na nangyari sa amin sa islang ito. Narito kami ngayon sa isla ng Ko-Chang, isang lugar na puno ng mga alaala kung saan muli naming binabalikan ang aming nakaraan.
You can take that crazy jet from Newark to LA.
Para ko sinuntok sa mukha ng tubig. I think it's like an abandoned place. Yes.
There's water in here.
Oh man, DJI, my DJI, my
Look at
precious.
this one. Me. I don't know.
Look at this, man. That one. Someone is walking. Wow.
This is the viewpoint. It looks so different from when we were here.
Napakaganda.
Yeah, again tomorrow.
Yeah, where I want to go naman.
To eat something.
Eat. Yeah, guys, eat.
Eating time. The last time we ate was like 7 o'clock.
11 o'clock. Look at them, oh. They are wearing payong. But we don't need payong, no?
We don't need what?
Payong.
What's payong?
Because we have a rash guard. Payong is umbrella.
Oh, yeah, because we have the rash guard. It's
Yeah.
very strong.
You want to get the
Very
sun, vitamin D.
Woohoo!
Tuloy ang aming paglalakbay sa islang ito matapos naming masilayan ang napakagandang tanawin dito sa Ko-Chang. Nagpatuloy kami sa aming paglalakbay patungo sa isang lugar kung saan matinding takot ang aming naramdaman ni Chanel nung huli naming pagpunta. Imagine mo, Malabo. Malab, show the camera here. Yeah. See? You can see? Imagine mo, Malabo, later when we go home.
Oh my word!
Huh?
How are we going to?
When we go home later, we're gonna go here, guys. Look at my back. Very stiff, guys. Very, very stiff.
Yes, I think this is where I practice, right? At that one cafe.
Yeah.
Could be.
We can go there and eat. Guys, naalala namin tong lugar na to. Dito ko si Chanel tinuruan mag-bike. Yan. Yung kahabaan na yan. Diyan kami nagbabike. Wait. Tayo! You need to let go someone first because they're gonna need to reload their water and then they have to... Oh, there's something. At sa paglalakbay namin papunta sa lugar na aming pupuntahan na hindi naging madali dahil nagsimula na silang magbasa ng mga tao. I really hate that. It's not good, you know. You need to be sport, but like it's like a punch on my face. We don't play song run, guys, but we don't have a choice because we need to drive on our location. Guys, nag-break muna kami kasi para ko sinuntok sa mukha ng tubig.
How
Sumama
about
sa
this?
mukha ko.
Kevin, can this get wet?
Yeah, it's fine.
Huh?
But my face, yeah. But my
But are
face
you
is
okay?
like the guy with the hose.
Oh yeah?
He do it on my face.
Oh.
Like it went directly to my eye and then to my nostrils and then it's like I've been punched.
So sorry, mahal ko.
Really hectic. So stop over muna kami dito. I think this is like an abandoned place.
Yeah, it's for sale.
Huh?
It's for sale.
Like an abandoned
Sa tagpong ito, dito ko na napansin na nasira na ang DJI mic na gamit namin ni Chanel. Hindi lang isa, pati dalawang DJI mic na ang nasira.
place.
Yeah, there's water in here.
Oh man, DJI, my
Look at
precious.
this one. There's moisture in there. Look at all that moisture.
Yeah.
And it entered this.
Guys, di na gumagana yung mic namin, so para makakabili kami ng bago. Binasa kasi kami kanina eh. Because of the guy I told you. Huh?
Kevin shouldn't
Yeah,
be
it's not
driving
working
with
anymore.
this. At all?
Yeah, because the guy, you know, he put some water on us many times.
What if we put this in rice?
Huh? Yeah, let's sit in the sun first.
Huh?
Let's sit in the sun. Oh. Guys, grabe. Nakakainis.
I told you they're gonna start early.
We are thinking like maybe the water rating is gonna be like 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, but they are so early. They're doing it now. Let's just do it without this.
I'm looking at all.
I'm calling for DJI. I'm calling for DJI as sponsorship. Maybe you can give us new DJI mic too. Thank you. Yeah,
Kevin, do you think they're gonna help us?
we don't know. Maybe they are watching this.
I mean, it would be nice, but
Nakakalungkot lang tanggapin na may nasira kang isang gamit na napakahalaga sa'yo. Kahit malungkot, kailangan namin ipagpatuloy ang nasimulan na namin.
never seen that before.
Huh?
I like to look at insects. I'm an insectologist.
Insectologist.
I have a limited knowledge, but when I see something interesting and it's an insect, then I'd like to look at it. You know? So where did you find this toilet?
Yeah, it's there. You want?
I don't know and how long it hasn't worked because look at this.
Malab, I think it's very dirty. Come on, let's go. I'm scared. Magamit to. So guys, we're going some exploration. Parang abandonado na to.
I think let's buy this place and make it.
Abandonadong gusali.
And we'll make it for an affordable price. So Filipinos, South Africans, and the whole world international. You can come here. It will be a good price.
Yeah. But these houses are so good.
Look
Oh.
at all of this. All of this is growing.
Huh? It's locked. Anyway, very nice. They have a bathtub also. We're not gonna explore this place because looks new. Parang may tao. And those like very scary things.
That.
Oh yeah, this is it. I just wanna stay here. I don't wanna go there anymore. Nakakainis. I'm okay, we stay here. Let's stay here until afternoon. Right? So guys, pupuntahan natin yung ghost ship. Actually, nakapunta na kami ni Chanel doon. Kung nakita niyo yung mga videos namin kung saan nakakuha kami ng maraming views. Nag-viral yung video na yon. I think like 1 million or 2 million views sa Facebook, and then sa YouTube is like 80,000 views already. Pinuntahan namin yon, talagang sobrang creepy, sobrang nakakatakot, sobrang talagang how do you call this one, Malab, the place? Scary.
Yeah, that's so creepy.
Yeah. And now we are going back there again, and let's see what is there now. Be careful, you know, because
Careful because the last time I got really scared and I ran and something like stabbed my foot.
yeah, and then after that, Chanel had a tetanus shot injection.
Like 3 of them.
I think we are here, yeah.
Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari kay Chanel, pero pagkatapos namin dumaan dito ay biglang sumakit ang paa niya at hindi niya na maigalaw.
Outside. Okay, let's stop it.
Alright?
Stop it.
Alright.
Hold this. Huh? Are you serious, Chanel?
It's numb.
Chanel, don't joke.
Even it jumped funny.
What happened?
I don't know.
Wait.
Me.
Wait, I thought you're... Wait. Why are you crying?
I cannot feel my leg.
You cannot feel your leg?
Sa mga oras na to, grabe talaga ang aking kaba.
This one.
Can you move it?
No. I cannot stand on it. I don't know.
You man, you sit down. You sit down. It's okay, babe. It's okay, babe.
Just kidding.
Chanel!
Ang galing mo talagang umarte na Chanel. Kuwang-kuwa mo talaga ang inis ko, no?
Chanel! Kasi you're making me so nervous. Making me so nervous.
It was real?
It looks real.
I know.
Grabe ang kaba ko.
But it was really painful before.
Naprank ako dun ah. Ha?
I think I jumped funny. It was really painful.
Because it's not a joke. If you
But
get
all that was an act.
lost here in the... If you had an accident
But
here
it
in the
was
jungle.
hurting even oh, the muscle was pulling. Anyway, let's go. What are we doing?
Tinakot mo ako ng gusto.
No, that tried so hard. But then I was like, oh, my Mahalko was very sad. And he really believed me.
Visit ka.
Sorry, Mala.
Kala ko talaga totoo na.
I thought you thought that I was like kidding. Okay, I promise next time it will be real, okay? I'm not gonna joke because it's not good to joke around like
It's not good to joke around.
Well, this is the path we're going to the ghost ship. Apparently there's been some changes and something happened there, so we're gonna go and like take a look. Obviously, because we're here, so we have to take a look. And I mean, like the last time that we've been here was like 2 years ago, so there's lots of changes in 2 years. And then there actually used to be like the river was here. You know, there was a lot of water here before.
Yeah.
And now, like all the water is gone. Like, what happened to it?
Yeah.
Oh, I think when we went, it was like rainy season, and this is what the dry season looks like. It's dry. Look at this. Like, hello, water.
What an accent. Look at that. Oh. So scary. Huh?
There's an entity there.
Guys, if we are going there straight now, we're going to see the ghost ship. Okay. And this. So guys, we are here now. So guys, we are now here at the haunted villas. Wow, kitang-kita mo yung pinaglumaan, no? Chanel, look. This is the bar, the reception.
Yeah, the reception.
Very old.
Yeah.
So guys, pinasok na natin tong haunted places na to.
Oh my god. Look at the size of that wasp. It's big.
Ang laki oh. Ang laki niya. Grabe. So guys, tara, let's go. This is one of the most famous haunted. How do you call that one in English?
Haunted?
Yeah, this is one of the famous haunted abandoned places here in Thailand. Like there's so many
Oh no, they're
YouTubers.
just following us.
What's following us?
The wasp.
And the famous YouTubers who is like documenting this place a long time already. Then we've been here like 2 years ago, guys, but this is our second time coming back here again at the ghost ship.
We have to be.
But the ghost ship, guys, is already burned, so I'm gonna show you later what happened. Careful. Yeah. Look.
That wasn't there before.
There's like a calculator, but don't touch anything, Malaga.
Why?
Because look, it's already old. Yeah. Be
There's a
careful.
poo-poo. Be careful.
Be careful. Careful. Falling debris. Huh? Umakyat kami sa second floor ng gusaling ito. At sa hindi namin inaasahan, ito ang bumungad sa amin.
It's different now than last time.
Grabe oh.
Habang papalapit kami, lalo naming nararamdaman ni Chanel ang kakaibang tahimik na bumabalot sa lugar na ito.
Oh, look at these bottles. The 7-Eleven. A safe.
Look at this, my love. My love, look at this. Yeah. Don't, Chanel, don't touch anything.
What?
Just don't touch anything. I don't want you to touch anything.
Happened? What is this?
I don't know. It's like a CPU. Kitang-kita mo talaga guys yung pinaglumaan ng mga gamit. Oh.
I'm so like
Let's go. Takbo.
slowly.
Let's go. Then guys, the ghost ship is already gone. Before it was here and now it was burned. And you know what happened?
I think there's like some people living in there already, and something must have
Yeah,
caught
maybe
alight.
something happened like that. We cannot say.
But this thing was big.
Yeah, very big, huh?
It was really big, and now like it's just all gone.
Hmm. But it's still beautiful, huh?
Look at the colors of the ocean.
So guys, hindi na siya nakakatakot dito kasi nga, ang ganda ng kalikasan. Nice. It's not even scary It's not even scary anymore. Only the human are scary. The humans are scary, pala.
Wow! Grabe, ang ganda dito guys. Oh, what's that? Water lily. Ewan ko kung nakikita ka sa camera pero napakaganda dito guys.
Sa kabila ng mga nangyari dito, hindi pa rin may kakaila ang ganda ng lugar na ito. Kaya lagi naman kami nagtataka ni Chanel kung bakit naging abandonado ang lugar na ito.
You're here, my love. So which one do you want to go?
Well, you know that there's a risk going in there.
Huh?
It's a risk going in there.
What's the risk? Come on,
I don't know how old it is.
come on. Wanna try? It's fixed now.
So old.
Very creepy. Nothing. Come on. What do you think? Oh. Chanel. Chanel. Welcome. Guys, we've been here in this place, but we never went to the second floor. So let's try to go to the second floor. Oh,
Come here, Presley. Let him come here.
Nararamdaman naming mahuna na ang kahoy na aming tinatapakan kaya nag-iingat kami talaga ni Chanel sa bawat pagtapak namin dito.
stay there.
Is it moving?
At sa pag-akyat namin dito sa second floor, talagang nagtindigan ang aking mga balahibo pero tinuloy ko pa rin ang pagpasok sa loob.
Oh. Asbestos. Oh. Ito yung CR. May ibak. So guys, tingnan na natin yung loob. May bagsakan na yung mga kisame. Sobrang tanda na ng lugar na to. Halika po ako. Wow. Wow. Kaganda ng lugar na ito. Ang ganda ng view. Napabayaan lang. Oh, ang ganda oh. Ganda dito. Napabayaan lang. Para kang nasa pelikula na King Kong. Godzilla, mga ganun. Island na island talaga.
Pababa na sana ako para puntahan si Chanel pero biglang may nangyari.
There's pupo there. Yeah, come. You're scaring me.
Matapang din si Chanel at hindi na natatakot sa mga
Look at the view here.
paligid-ligid sa lugar na ito.
Hey. Manap, that's a poo. That's why it's very smelly.
It's not poo.
Come on.
Oh, this is a two-bedroom, huh?
Lower your voice. Come on, go there. Wanna go there?
No.
You wanna see what's there? Come on. It's okay.
Very beautiful. But it's moving.
Pagkatapos namin dito ay pumunta naman kami sa first floor.
Yeah.
Habang naglalakad kami ay may nakita si Chanel na parang dugo.
Yeah.
Kaya nagpanik kami ni Chanel at lumabas na sa lugar na ito. Pagkatapos namin dito ay pinuntahan namin ang pinag-uusapan na haunted cabin.
That's the haunted house. That one. Huh? You want me to go? Or you can stay here for safety? I'm just gonna explore. Okay?
Why are you going back there?
That one. You just stay here because it's already the bush is already so long. I can go. Guys, that's the haunted house, by the way. So, ang hirap nito pasukan, guys. Mahirap na siya pasukan kasi nga tataas ng mga dahon. Ito yung lugar na talagang kinatatakutan ng lahat na puntahan. Ayan.
It's inaccessible now.
Tapos meron pa doon, tapos meron pa doon. Tatlo
But
yan.
before, remember when we came here before, we could walk
Huh?
there and the grass was like short. And we could have like been walking there, but now like it's inaccessible because like all the plants just been growing for like 2 years or so.
You see that?
What?
Like someone is walking.
He just took off his shirt.
Scary, huh?
But where did he come from?
From there, from the
I was literally about to pee in a bush. And
from the
I
jungle, Chanel.
didn't even know
That's a
that.
dead end already. And then she
So
just
where did he come from?
scary. Oh guys, it's so creepy. Kasi kami lang tao dito tapos dead end na yan eh. Dead end na, wala nang pasukan yan eh. Oh, see? My wife is not scared. I'm gonna go and explore. I'm gonna go and explore.
Just be careful.
Malab, just stay here. Stay here. I don't want anything happen to you.
And it's breaking. What
Let-
if you go in there and then it's also breaking?
Let me take care. Okay, I'm gonna explore if there is something here. I love you.
Fine, go.
Sa mga oras na ito ay sobrang kaba at kakaiba na ang aking nararamdaman.
Kaya na talaga siya sa panahon. Meron pa dito.
Nag-iisip ako kung itutuloy ko pa ang pagpasok sa bahay na ito.
Pero grabe. Pero nakakatakot talaga. Pandelikado kaya wag na lang siguro. Kaya ko nang pasukin yung loob. Ito, try natin dito. Nakakatakot talaga. Iba yung pakiramdam ko dito. Masirang TV. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Huwag ako napasukin guys kasi nakakatakot, may mga basag-basag na salamin. Ang hirap mag-explore. Yung lugar hindi mo talaga ayaw kong i-risk yung buhay ko sa bagay na ganito. Pero nakakatakot siya. Ha?
Nagpasya na kami ni Chanel na tapusin ang aming exploration. Marami pa sana kaming lugar na gustong puntahan, pero mas inisip namin ang kaligtasan ng bawat isa. Minsan mas mahalaga pa rin ang makauwi ng maayos at ligtas kaysa ipilit natin ang mga bagay na maaari magdulot ng panganib.